This is the Bread Authority. 29 bread baking topics, every one curated by hand. The videos, the recipes, the articles, the lessons. All of it in one place, free, so you can stop hunting and start baking. Here's the thing. You don't search for topics, you search for problems. Flat loaf? Dense crumb? It knows what you mean. Spell it wrong and it still finds the answer. Click into any topic and everything I've made on it is right there. Watch the videos, listen to the podcast, grab the recipes, the articles, even the books. No fluff, no filler, just the resources that move your bread forward, organized so you can learn it your way. And the gear page? That's the equipment I actually use in my own kitchen, nothing else. The Bread Authority was born inside Crust and Crumb Academy, and that's where it goes deeper. Join hundreds of bakers inside, where bakers come, not to get likes, but to get better. The link is in the bio. Come bake with us.